dear students, welcome to the Bridge Course Template 43 Class 7 Subject English. The learning outcome of this activity is the students will be able to ask polite questions, to seek information, complete the remaining part of a sentence, and respond to questions and instructions appropriately and politely. Instructions for teachers and parents or facilitators are given. Read out the conversation on page number 23. Are you a DIY kid? And 92-93 based on Fantastic Shop. Ask the learner to listen carefully and repeat and help the learners to do the activity. There are some instructions for students that they have to listen the conversation carefully and repeat after the teacher or facilitator. Students, this is 1.7. Are you a DIY kid? So, we have to read some of the conversations, and students, you listen carefully and you can repeat afterwards. So, let us start. Can you take care of your personal hygiene? I trim my nails regularly. Do you? I take a wash on my own, a proper wash. I remember to wash behind my ears, underarms, elbows, knees, etc. Do you? And I use enough water, not more, not less. I can oil and comb my hair on my own. I can wash and dry my hair on my own. So there is a conversation between two boys. I know you can do it too, but do you do it? Or do you still depend on your mother? So this is the conversation. Next. Do you take care of your clothes? I can even wash my own clothes when necessary. I wash my undergarments every day. I don't stack up used and soiled clothes. I put them in the washing bucket on time. I brush or scrub the soiled parts with soap before I add them to the washing pile. I can hang the clothes neatly or to dry on the clothes line. I can fold all clothes neatly. Now there is a conversation between Tara and Cuckoo. You too can do all this. Have you tried? We'll see the next conversation. Jemmy Jellyfishes. Can I have a coral paper? Wait, please. Certainly. Here's a nice little one and it's unbreakable. Would you happen to have a potted seaweed? Oh, we have a large variety. Take your pick. Can I try this pink shell bracelet? Yes, Miss Octopus. I can even give you a set of four. Look, I desperately need an airproof watch. I have to go ashore tomorrow. Have a look at this. It's the latest digital one. So, students, listen to the conversations carefully and try to repeat it at home. Now, next conversation. This is the conversation of 4.4 Fantastic Shop, 24 carats. It is very interesting, children. Please listen. Now, the conversation is the carrot cake fresh? Just out of the oven. Can I have cold carrot juice, please? Here's a glass of chilled carrot juice. I have a dozen carrot cakes and a book of carrot halwa. How much would that be? That will be. Do you have Delhi carrots? Sorry, madam, we get them only in the winter months. So, this is the conversation. So, did you listen, students? Listen the conversation, the pronunciation, and repeat it at home. The learning activity. Work in pair. In case of the single learner, the peer will be the facilitator. Read the situation in the boxes and talk on it. Choose the following sentences in your conversation. Useful language. Good morning or good afternoon, evening, excuse me, can I help you? Could you help me please? Of course. So students, you have to use all these sentences in your conversation. Okay? There is one more sentence. I am not sure what I need to do. So there are certain situations given to you A, B and C. So what sentences will you use in these situations? You are in a shopping mall. You want to buy a dress for yourself. Ask the salesperson to help. Second situation is given. You left your mobile phone at home and you want to call your mother. And third situation, you are in the school library and you are searching for a story book. Your friends ask if you need any help. So in these situations, what conversation will you do? How will you converse with others? In the solved activity, example is given. You are in a shopping mall, okay, and you want to buy a dress for yourself. Ask the salesperson to help. Salesperson, what can I do for you? You, can you show me a decent kurta? Salesperson, yes, here you can choose anyone. You, will you please show some varieties? So in this way, this is a solved activity. You can use that conversation in your speech. Okay, now for practice, there are some sentences given and you can complete that sentences. Like first, do you have a dash? Can I dash? Do you have dash? Prepare a board game. So let us start. Do you have a pen? Can I write? Do you have a paper? So such type of words you can add, many words you can add and prepare sentences. Now the next activity. Now in a school library, Pooja is your friend. She says, excuse me. You will say, yes, Pooja. Pooja will say, can I help you to find the book? You will say, of course. So such type of conversation you can do with your friend. Now the next activity. Prepare a board game. Give situation. For example, you are a tourist. Ask somebody to take your photograph. Based on the responses to the given task, move the car ahead. So someone will give you instructions and then you have to move your car ahead. Okay. So this board game you can play at home. Okay, students. Now make use of the words in your day-to-day speech, in your conversations, and whatever we have read in the previous part, try to read it again and again and practice it at home. Use those sentences in your conversation. So this was the end of the activity. So what did you learn today, students? How to converse with your friends, how to respond to questions, and how to complete the conversation. Thank you very much.